If you want to protect your photos, messages, and settings, backing up your iPhone to iCloud is essential. And here's how to do it quickly and securely. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into a power source. That's required for backups to work. Next, open the Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID menu. In your Apple ID settings, go to iCloud. Then tap on iCloud Backup. If Backup this iPhone isn't already on, switch it on. Then tap on Backup Now and stay connected the whole process so everything gets saved. With automatic backups enabled, your iPhone will routinely backup when it's locked, connected to Wi-Fi and charging, usually overnight. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.